Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to off scanning always available in Wi-Fi setting. So let's start our video. Firstly, we will click the setting icon in our phone. After that, we will click on the Wi-Fi option and firstly on this function. My Wi-Fi is already off, and if your Wi-Fi is off, then firstly click on the Wi-Fi. After that, here you will see advanced setting option. Click on that. After that, here you will see scanning always available option is on. Firstly of this function, it means that it doesn't allow location service and other apps to scan for networks even when our Wi-Fi is off. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.